In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. We'll start with cleaning up multiple conversations in one go. Open the Instagram app and tap the messaging icon in the top right to enter your inbox. At the top right, look for the three lines or the filter icon. This opens selection mode. If you don't see it right away, make sure your app is updated as the icon can look slightly different depending on your device. Now tap each conversation you want to remove. You'll see a check mark appear on the chats you select, which is your confirmation that they're queued for deletion. When you're ready, tap delete at the bottom, then confirm by choosing delete chats. This will remove the entire threads from your inbox. Keep in mind, this only affects your account. It doesn't erase messages from the other person's inbox. Also, deletions are permanent, so take a moment to double check what you've selected before you confirm. Next, let's clear messages inside a single chat. Open a conversation you want to tidy up, press and hold on a specific message, then tap delete for you. If you want to remove several items at once, select multiple messages in that same view and choose delete for you again. Confirm when prompted. You'll repeat this per chat if you're working through several conversations. Just like before, this removes messages only from your side, so the other person will still see them unless they delete them too. This is helpful when you want to keep the conversation thread but remove certain parts that you don't need anymore. If you prefer that sensitive messages don't stick around at all, vanish mode can help. While you're inside a chat, swipe up on the screen and turn it on. In vanish mode, messages disappear after they've been viewed and you leave the chat. It's a good option for quick temporary exchanges. Remember, vanish mode applies to that chat and both participants will see that it's enabled, so use it thoughtfully. A couple of quick tips as you go. Deleting multiple conversations is the fastest way to clear a crowded inbox, and it's often quicker than opening each chat one by one. If your delete button isn't visible, scroll a bit. The option is usually anchored at the bottom of the screen once you've selected at least one conversation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips.